1, go.
Hello. Now, we've got all the pictures in there. And the pictures are ready. So we'll just turn this off. And help out here. It's hot this time.
Oh.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
You can hear it. Look at that. Look at that beautiful, moist, all melted. Can we just let that cool down?
And a break, and then we're gonna eat it here. So say bye bye to.
Okay. And so all of that will be done. We'll just let it cool down after the break.